Electrical protection. The reliable operation of any electrical system depends on robust protection. Our electrical protection training equips you to defend against faults, surges, and overloads, protecting both equipment and people. At EFTI, we deliver live, instructor-led, interactive electrical protection training so you can safeguard systems, prevent downtime, and ensure electrical equipment reliability. We offer live online scheduled courses for individual electricians, engineers, and technicians, and customized live online and in-person group training for companies with teams of electrical professionals. These are the electrical protection courses we offer. Basic Protective Relay Training. This course teaches master relay fundamentals, fault detection, and microprocessor-based relays for feeders, transformers, and motors. Distribution System Protection. This course teaches protection schemes for modern power systems, including DER, integration, and fault clearing methods. Utility Distribution Protection Fundamentals. This course is designed for utility professionals covering distribution faults, relay asset management, and smart grid protection. Why it matters. Effective protection limits outages, improves selectivity, and prevents widespread disruptions. With the right training, you'll reduce unplanned downtime, enhance system reliability, and minimize damage. Our courses are designed for electrical engineers, technicians, consultants, and electrical professionals involved in power system protection design, testing, and maintenance. Students earn CEU and Professional Development Hour credits, a certificate of course completion, and take-home materials like digital, electrical handbooks, and technical guides to support ongoing learning. Empower yourself to become a guardian of electrical systems. Explore our electrical protection courses today and start building the skills to protect your network, your equipment, and your people.